Hello, hello, hello. It's your sales director, Sonya Hawkins here. And today I want to talk to you about working smarter and making sure that all of your free gifts count towards your wholesale totals, count towards your numbers. So often in Mary Kay, we love giving things away. I mean, we love it. It's great. It's great. Hey, it's biblical. It's better to give than to receive, right? So we love giving away gifts, but I want you to make sure that when you're giving away gifts that you're doing it smart. So Mary Kay in and of itself calls their gifting program that is called, what is it? Gift with purchase, right? Gift with purchase. So anytime that a customer purchases $40 or more in retail value product before taxes, they can receive a gift with purchase. And so what Mary Kay offers as a gift with purchase are usually some small, I don't even have any with me right now, but little small mini size, travel size items like oil-free eye makeup remover, the micellar water. There is, let's see, there's hydrogel eye patches. There's lots of little mini things that you can get in sample size items that you can get. And don't get me wrong, all of those items are great, but here's the deal. Those are considered section 2 items, section 2 items. So any item that you buy that is full retail size is considered section 1. Here is the difference. Section 1 items are items that are okay for you to resell. You get those items with your consultant 50% discount, and then you turn around and sell them for the full retail value, which is how you make your 50% profit. And every section 1 item is something that's part of claiming on your taxes, and it shows differently than how you will claim your section 2 items, which are considered business supplies, and they are tax deductible, but you are not allowed to resell those items. So there's a bit of a difference. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. Now, in the Mary Kay land, the other difference is that your section 1 items all count towards your wholesale and estimated retail values. The reason why you're going to constantly see estimated retail is because Mary Kay only knows what you have ordered. They only know the wholesale amount that you have ordered. They have no idea which items you've kept for yourself, which items you're using as demos, what you've given away. They don't know what you've actually sold, what's still sitting on your shelf. So all they can do is estimate based on what you've purchased, what you've ordered. They give an estimated retail amount that you have. And based on that, you can win prizes. And so every single month for probably, I don't know, maybe the past 5 years or so, they've done a program where anyone who gets up to 600 wholesale in 1 month gets an item. So right now, the time of this recording, it's powered by Pink. And so we've had earrings and bracelets and necklaces. And another year, there was the Sparka chain reaction. Another year, it was the keys to success or something like that. Everything had keys. There was another year where there were just bees. And then there was another year where, what was it? New faces take you places. Like every month though, anytime you got up to $600 in wholesale orders that you had purchased through the company, then you'd get some type of item. And so every section 1 product that you purchase counts towards that. At the end of the year, there's also what's called the Queen's Court of Personal Sales. And if you make it to the Queen's Court of Personal Sales, let me just tell you that is a big deal. It's a really big deal. And you get this wonderful choice of 2 different rings that you can pick from, or you can take a cash option. I think it's like $500 cash. And then every so often, they also award those and recognize those who've made the Princess Court of Sales. So Queen's Court of Sales is like $40,000 in estimated retail production, and Princess is $20,000 in estimated retail production. And again, all of your section 1 orders count towards those different categories. So whenever you're ordering section 2 products, samples and those mini size items, those are nice and those are cute, but they don't count towards your numbers that not only help you, but it also helps our unit, helps your team, and helps your unit, helps your national area. Like it's a ripple effect. So how can you make a difference? How can you just make small little tweaks and small changes in how you're doing hostess gifts and gifts with purchased and free items and things like that? Here is how. You can simply be smarter about the items that you are purchasing. So those mini satin hand sets, they're super cute. I know it. I know they're super cute. However, they cost like $4 or $5 and they're section 2 and they don't count towards your wholesale, towards your prices or anything. Not at all. Not at all. On the other hand, you can get a full size hand cream. Now I've got citrus rose right here. So depending on when you're watching this, this is probably not available. This was a limited edition item, and anytime they had those limited edition items, especially the satin hand sets in different scents, I stock up because my customers love satin hands, and so do I, and I love all the different scents. So this one was a citrus rose hand cream. And guess what? The retail value on this is $12, which means as a consultant, you get it for $6. So rather than giving your customer a little mini $4 or $5 satin hand set, you could give them the full size hand cream for half the price, and you get credit for it, and they get to enjoy this full size product. And more than likely, they're going to love it, and they're going to come back and keep buying it from you time and time again. More examples. The Satin Hands hand soap. It's $10 retail, which means that it's $5 for you as a consultant. What if you gave away this big, huge, gigantic hand soap? Like everyone can use this. Everyone can love this. It is fragrance free. They can sit it in their kitchen, in their bathroom, wherever, and wash their hands all the time. Again, maybe they'll fall in love with it and they'll start buying it from you on a regular basis. But when you give that to them, it's a $5 gift for you. So it's about the same as some of those section 2 items, but it also counts towards your wholesale. And there are lots of other things that you can do. So you can change it up every month and do something different. Maybe one month it's a hand cream. Maybe the next month, whoever orders that amount is getting the hand soap. Maybe the month after that, it is an eyeshadow, a full size eyeshadow. The retail value is $8, which means that you're only paying $4 for it as a consultant. So just start to think smart. Think smart. Oil blotting tissues. I think those are like $6 retail, so they're only $3. Perfect during the summer, which is when I'm recording this video. So that would be a great gift for someone with oily skin. So think about those types of things when you're doing hostess gifts, when you're doing giveaways, prizes, things like that, things that will help you as a consultant, help your wholesale, help your team, help your unit, and help your entire national area. It makes a difference. It makes a difference. Here's the other thing. Anytime you see specials come out, the company will do, let's see, 1 year in the month of June, they did a special on skincare and they dropped all the skincare down like 60%. If at all possible, that's when you stock up. That's when you stock up, when it's all on sale, even for you. That's a huge discount because then those are items that you can turn around and either sell them for the full retail value. But either way it goes, those count as the full retail value, even though you got them at an extreme discount, and you can sell and make more money. Or those are the types of items you can give away. Not too long ago, pink clay mask, or buy one, get one free. Perfect. Stock up if you can on those types of things. So then you can turn around, and those are the pink clay masks that you can give away as a full size gift with purchase. Here's another one we did a while back. I think it was like you could get the hydrogel eye patches, and I don't know. There's all types of stuff. Right now, there's a special going on where if you get 2 of the micellar waters, you get a pack of those cotton rounds, reusable cotton rounds. Have you used those? Those are awesome. You can wash them and literally they turn white again. And you can use them with your toners. You can use them with the micellar water. You can use them with your oil-free eye makeup remover. They work great. That's another thing. If you use a lot of micellar water anyway, start buying up those micellar waters so that you can get those rounds. And then that could be another gift with purchase. Here's one last thing for you. So there's a wonderful sales director, so super go give, the queen of sales from last year. Her name is Monica Jabot. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And Monica kind of was thinking on the same wavelength that I was, that we totally need to be making sure that our hostess credits and gifts with purchases count for everything. And so she takes it up. I mean, she's super creative. I am not a flyer maker. I do a couple little things here and there on Canva, but every single month, she comes up with a flyer. And her deal is a little different than the company's deal. So the company says you get a gift with purchase if you spend $40 or more. Monica's deal is that you get to pick one item at half off if you spend $50 or more. And then when you spend $100, you get two items and so on and so forth, right? And the cool thing about hers is that you aren't losing any money. So she makes up a different flyer every single month, and she puts a lot of time and care into it to make sure that it's pretty broad. So there's some skincare, some makeup, a little bit of everything. And she also tries to put on there some products that she knows is being discontinued that some of us need to get off of our shelves and sell. And the idea is that once your customer places an order, let's say they've ordered about $40 worth of stuff, then you simply let them know, congratulations, guess what? You're about $10 away for qualifying for one of these items at 50% off. And so then they add one like they would at any other store. You know, you go places and they say, if you spend this much, you get this much off. And so they'll spend a little more so they can get up to the $50. And then they look at your sheet and they decide which one of those items on that sheet they want at 50% off. Again, they're paying you the same price that you're paying for that item. So you haven't lost any money, but you're still getting wholesale credit, retail credit. And again, that's helping who? You, your team, your unit, and your area. So that's how it works. Last thing that I just thought about that I totally forgot to mention, check the pink sale. Always check the pink sale. There's lots of cool stuff in the pink sale, items that have been either discontinued or limited edition items that are left over from a couple of seasons ago that are still really cool, but they've marked them down so that they can get rid of them. And sometimes you can find some really cool things out there. For a long time, I was super surprised that these masking pods were out there. And the masking pods were like, I don't know, the price had dropped all the way down to like $9. So you got them for like $4.50. And these were originally like a $24, $25 retail value item. And if you recall, there were 4 of those in there. I love to get items like this, especially when they're marked down in the pink sale, because then I can begin to use these as part of my buy one, get one, hostess credits, extra party gifts, giveaways for people who do like business interviews with me, things like that. Love it, absolutely love it, because I can take them apart and there's 4 individually wrapped masks in here. So I can hand each of the 4 away. So keep in mind, you cannot turn around and sell these items individually per Mary Kay policy. But if I want to, I can take each one of these out and I can give it away as a free gift. So for me, not too long ago, when the, what are they called? The instant puffiness reducers came out, I offered that whoever wanted to be my trial people and try it first before it came out to everyone else, I would give them a free mask. And so they just got one of these little pods with their instant puffiness reducers. So they could sit down and kind of have a spa night. So those are some ideas to help you work smarter, not harder, and make sure that everything you purchase in Mary Kay counts. But at the same time, you're still staying within the rules of Mary Kay. So there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. I am here to help you. Good luck.